Hello viewer, we are using the designs here. Explore the different options and create the angle as well. It's a round rectangular shape here. Make another picture to have it. So let's create another shape. We are choosing into it. I will find a new design. So use the structure again. Add a pattern stamp or gradient to the shape here. We will find the designs, make a colorful design.